Hi everyone, today we are going to review over solving inequality practice quiz. Let's begin with number one. Juan has D for dimes and Q for quarters. The total value of his money is less than $14.75. Well, less than $14.75 meaning it's not equal, therefore B is wrong and D is wrong. So we just did a process of elimination. Now we need to know what make up the $14.75. So we look at choice A and C. Now we know C is wrong because 0.35 represents 35 cents. But we don't have 35 cents. We have 10 cents and 25 cents. They are separate. There's no such thing as 35 cents. Therefore, the answer must be A. Because we take the 10 cents, whatever we have, plus the quarter, whatever we have, must be less than $14.75. So the answer is A. Alright, number two, solving compound inequality. We did this already. So when we subtract the middle, we have to subtract the right and the left for balancing equation. So that's done. We cross it out. We rewrite negative 6 less than 3x less than 27. We want to solve for x, not for 3x. Therefore, we divide by 3. Similar to the top, we divide the middle, we divide the right and the left. So we get negative 2 less than x less than 9. And we look for the choices. We see that option D is the one that has the answer. Right. Number 4 here. We want to solve for x. So the first thing we remove is negative 2. So we will add 2 to both sides to cancel it out. Now what we are seeing here is x divide negative 2, and last time I have mentioned if you see division you do the opposite. So we will multiply negative 2 left and right. Once we did that, we cross it out, and don't forget, since we multiply negative or divide negative, the sign will flip. So the answer is x less than or equal to 8, and it is a solid, so we know that A and B are wrong. Therefore, we have C and D, but C is going to the right, so it's wrong. Therefore, the answer is D. Alright, number 5. Similar to the top, we solve for x, so we will remove negative 5, become positive 5. So 2x less than 22. To solve for x, we divide by 2. X less than or equal to 11. So the answer is C. Right. Number 3 and then number 6. So number 3 is similar to number 2. So remove the 8 by subtracting 8. Cancel. So we get negative 4 less than or equal to negative 2x less than positive 2. Then we will divide negative 2. Oh, we got to remember when we divide negative, so the sign will flip. So 2 greater than x greater than negative 1. And I mentioned last time that we want the number from left to right, least to greatest. So we're going to flip this over. Therefore, it will be like this. So the answer is A. So just be careful. Don't flip anything until the end. Alright, number 6. Step 1, distributive. And here it is. 6x minus 12. Now to solve for x, we have a choice. We can choose the negative to the x value to be on the left side or on the right side. And I usually say that we always try to go on the left, so we're going to go to left side. So negative 8x plus 8 less than negative 12. We're going to subtract 8. Negative 8x less than negative 20. And we will divide negative 8. So we flip the sign due to negative. Therefore the answer is 20 over 8. Which is not up here. The reason is we need to simplify this. So divide 4, divide 4. So the answer is 5 over 2. So x greater than 5 over 2. So the answer is D. Alright, let's go to the back side for the free response. Alright, for number 7, as you can see, there are a lot of readings, but don't worry about the reading. Just focus on what it's trying to say. So, 2 rival companies, I don't need to know what they are. See, I just cross it out. Now, Captain does a lot, charge $20 per hour and 12 per room. Okay, so this is how you do it. So, on this left side, you write does, right? Then on the right hand side you write down they, right, to separate the company. So now let's go over with the that's a lot. 20 per house plus $12 per room. So 20 per house meaning if you make a call you charge $20 plus $12 per room, right? Then on the other hand, the duster will charge $30 a house plus $10 per room. Right? Now notice I just translate these down here without reading too much. Now we need to rewrite the inequality. Abigail wants to know how many rooms she must get duster so that duster lot is more expensive. So meaning like this. That does more than that, and that's how you do it. Then we need to solve. That's similar to number 6, but we're not solving. It just asks us to write down the inequality. All right, number 8 is an or, so meaning 2 separate problems. Okay. So we're gonna solve for letter M. We take away 9. We take away 1 this side. So subtract 9, plus 1, plus 1. So 10m less than negative 10. This one's 5m greater than equal to 15. Then we divide it by 10. This one divided by 5. So m is less than negative 1 or m greater than positive or equal to positive 3. So the inequality is right here. So negative 1 less than mean going to the left. Positive 3 solid, it will go to the right, and that's it. Alright, 9 and 10. So here is 9. Number 9 is a little tricky, so you just have to be a little careful. So this person wants a B average. Okay. So for example, Chris, if he wants a B average on the next assessment, he must get at least. So here's Chris, he must get at least 74. See? Now, if he earns 94 or more, he will earn an A. But he doesn't want an A, he wants a B. So we know that Chris must have a 93 or below 94 in general. And then we put this together. Since n is in between, 74 is more than 94, so we could flip this back like this, and we rewrite, and this becomes compound. So these 2 answers will be okay. It doesn't matter which one you want to write, but this is a simplified version. Alright, number 10 is similar to number 9, just a little bit. So here's how it is. Jason is taller than his brother 34 inches. But that means and Jason is shorter than his brother, who is 64 inches tall. So we want to represent which one are the answer to this, right? So before we do that, we reverse this. So to write the possible answer, there are many. So we can say it can be 35, it could be 60 inches, could be 39, 41, etc. Anything in between would be okay. Alright, I hope this helped. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you have any questions or concerns, please send me an email. Thank you.